Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix a problem or your problem on settings. We will just click here on settings. We will go to fix this is problem and we come here to this is window like you say, and we will go down. We will click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window and we'll just go down here to looking for snapshot app here, and this is window. We will go to find the snapshot and we will click here on snapshot. Then we come here to snapshot app and we will just click here on force stop and you will click here on OK, and you just go down. You will click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. You will click here on clear cache. Then you will click here on clear data, and you just turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.